Quantitative Aptitude 1, first book. Total 10 topics are there. Now it is the fifth topic, fractions. So each and every point I will discuss with you. How can you add the fractions? How can you subtract the fractions? How can you multiply? How can you divide? Very, very important basics it is for the competitive examination. Now in this video, I will discuss with you fractions addition. See here, how can you add the fractions? Fractions addition it is. Okay. So addition. See, observe the example, you can understood very easily. I will discuss with you from very basics it is. I will take some example. Let it be 3 plus 2 by 5. What is the value of this one? 3 plus 2 by 5. Don't take 3 plus 2, 5 by 5. Don't say like that. Okay. Now what you do? Now 3 plus 2 by 5 can be written as a shortcut. 3, 2 by 5 as a mixed fraction. Very simple. 3 plus 2 by 5 can be written as 3, 2 by 5 as a mixed fraction. Or what is the another approach? Take the product of these two. 5 into 3, 50 plus 2. Okay, 5 3 is 15 plus 2 by 5 it is. Now what is 15 plus 2? 17 by 5. It can be written just like also. Both are correct. Either 17 by 5 or 3 2 by 5. So 3 plus 2 by 5 can be written as a mixed fraction 3 2 by 5 it is. So observe one more example. See here another example. Suppose let it be 5 plus 7 plus 2. What is the value of this one? Now here the first fraction, next integer. First fraction, next integer is given. Don't take 5 plus 2, 7 by 7. So what you do, it can also be written as 2 plus 5 by 7. 2 plus 5 by 7. Now 2 plus 5 by 7 can be written as a mixed fraction 2 5 by 7. Or what is another method? By doing cross multiplication. 7 to the 14 plus 5 by 7. 14 plus 5, 19 by 7 it is. Now see here another example. Here in these two examples, one fraction, one integer is given. How can you do it? Suppose the two fractions is given. How can you do? How can you multiply? Two fractions is given. All these are very, very basic it is. Let it be 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7. Two fractions is given. Two fractions is given. How can you simplify this? Very simple strategy. The first step is take the product of the denominators. 3 into 7. 3 into 7, 21. Take the product of the denominators. 3 into 7. Now do cross multiplication. 2 sevens are. What is 2 sevens are? 14. Plus 5 3s are 15. Do cross multiplication. 2 into 7 plus 5 into 3. Now 14 plus 15, 29 by 21. At anywhere numerator is greater, you have to express it as a mixed fraction. Here numerator is greater, 29. Denominator is 21. So you have to express it as a mixed fraction also. Now 21 ones are 21. 21 means what is the remainder? 8 is the remainder. In 29, 21 ones are 21 means the remainder you have to take in the numerator again. 8 by 21. So mixed fraction 1 8 by 21. So the two fractions is given. This is the strategy you have to follow. Take the product of the denominator that you take in the denominator. Now do cross multiplication and simplify it. If the numerator is greater when compared with the denominator, you have to express it as a mixed fraction again. Suppose more than two fractions is given, what you do? More than two fractions. Suppose let it be 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 8, just like this given. More than two fractions, maybe 3 or 4 or 5. Now you require the LCM. Up to two fractions, you don't require the LCM. One integer and one fraction is given. One fraction, one integer is given. Two fractions is given. Don't require the LCM. Without applying LCM, you can simplify. but more than 2 fractions is given, you have to calculate the LCM of denominators. Already in the previous topic, we learned all the shortcuts in LCM. You go through that videos also. Now calculate the LCM of denominators. LCM of 2, 4 and 8. We know what is LCM of 2, 4 and 8. 8 is the LCM. Larger number 8. 8 is divisible by 2, divisible by 4. In the given values, if the larger number is exactly divisible by the remaining numbers, we say that larger number itself is the LCM. Wonderful shortcut in LCM that we learned in the previous videos in the topic of LCM and LCM. So first to calculate the LCM of denominators for 2, 4 and 8, LCM is 8. Now by 8 you have to take for each and every fraction into 8, into 8, into 8. That you have to assume in your mind, need not necessary to multiply into 8, into 8, into 8. Just you have to assume into 8, 1 by 2 into 8. First fraction is 1 by 2 into 8. Into 8 means 2 4s gets cancelled. 4 into 1, 4 you have to take here. Now again plus 3 by 4 into 8. Into 8 means 4 2s gets cancelled. 2 into 3, 6. Observe carefully. Now the third fraction into 8. Into 8 means 8 ones. 1 into 5 is 5. So the numerator values are 15 by 8. Again, by observing here, numerator is greater. At anywhere numerator is greater, you have to express it as a mixed fraction also. Now by dividing 8, 8 ones are 8. 8 means what is the remainder now? 7. In 15, the remainder is 7. 8 ones are 8, 7. Remainder by 8. So 1, 7 by 8. Both are correct. Either in this form or in this form. So both are correct. So more than 2 fractions, just like 3 fraction, 4 fraction, 5 fraction, any number of fractions is given. This is the strategy how to apply. What is the strategy? Calculate the LCM of denominators that you have to take in the denominator. Numerator, how can you get? Each and every fraction be multiplied by LCM. Fractions gets cancelled. Now I will explain one more example. Let it be, suppose let it be 1 by 3 plus 5 by 6 plus 7 by 9 plus 1 by 18. More than 2 fractions, it may be 3 or 4 or 5. Any number of fractions is given. Now what is the first step? Calculate the LCM of denominators. Now what is the LCM of 3, 6, 9, 18? We know 18. 18 is divisible by 3, divisible by 6, divisible by 9. So 18 is the LCM. That shortcut we learned in the previous videos. By 18. So each and every fraction be multiplied by 18 into 18 into 18 into 18 into 18. So into 18 means here first fraction into 18. 3 6 gets cancelled. Plus second fraction also into 18. 6 3 is 3 into 5 15. Now the third fraction into 18. 9 2s gets cancelled. 2 into 7 14. Fourth fraction into 18 means 18 ones are 1 into 1. Need not ask to write into. Just you have to assume in your mind. Assume in your mind it is. Now see here, what is the numerator value? 14 plus 6, 20, 35, 36 by 18. So both are divisible by 18 ones, 18 2s gets cancelled directly. 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 can be written as 2 is the answer. Understood? I will give one more example. See here. Suppose let it be 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 8 just like is given. Now here one integer and 2 fractions. So this also can be written as what you do. That integer also can be written as 2 also can be written as 2 by 1. 2 by 1. Now take the LCM of denominator for 2, 4 and 8. We know the LCM. It is the LCM that you take in the denominator. Each and every fraction be multiplied by 8 into 8 into 8 8 into 8. So the first fraction into 8 means 16. Second fraction into 8, 4 2s, 2 into 3, 6. Third fraction into 8, 8 ones, 1 into 5 is 5. What are the values? 16 plus 6, 22 plus 5, 27 by 8. Now here numerator is greater, you have to express it as a mixed fraction now. By dividing 8, 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are, so 3. Integer part. 8 3s are 24. 24 means what is the remainder in 27? 24 means remainder is 3 by 8. So this is the answer. Understood? Now here mixed fractions is given. How can you do it? Mixed fractions is given. See here the mixed fraction Let it be one example. 21 by 3 plus 32 by 3. So what is the value of this? 21 by 3 plus 32 by 3. So what you do? Now 21 by 3 can be written as 20 plus 1 by 3. Now 32 by 3 can be written as, that mixed fraction can be written as 30 plus 2 by 3. Now here 20 plus 1 by 3 plus 30 plus 2 by 3. That is the meaning of that. Now you can add the integers directly. 20 plus 30. 20 plus 30. How much? 50. You can take the integers addition first. Now 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Now in 1 by 3, 2 by 3 denominator is same. If at anywhere denominators are same, that are called the similar fractions. Similar fractions. Okay. Now that denominator you have to take. Numerator value can be added. Numerator value can be added directly. Now here 1, here 2. Similar fraction simplification, very easy. Okay. For 3, 3 you have to take in the denominator. Numerator values you can add directly. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 by 3, 1. So 50 plus 1 is 51 it is. Very simple strategy. Observe one more example. Let it be 120 1 by 2 plus 130 2 by 3. So what you do? How can you simplify this? Now see here. First you take the addition of integers 120 plus 130, 250. That you have to write 250 plus. First you take the addition of integer part 120 plus 130, 250 plus. Now 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 fractions now. Now how can you simplify that? 2 fractions addition already we learned. So 2 into 3 6. Take the product. Now do cross multiplication. 1 into 3 3. 2 into 2 4 it is. So 250 plus 7 by 6 it is. Now again in 7 by 6 by observing numerator is greater. But anywhere numerator is greater, you have to express it as a mixed fraction. Now that can be written as 250 plus by dividing 6, 6 1s are 6, 1 remainder again, 1 1 by 6. Now 1 1 by 6 can be written as again 1 plus 1 by 6. Now 250 plus 1. So 251 1 by 6. So this is the answer. Not only two mixed fractions, any number of mixed fractions is given, we will do the same procedure. Observe one more example I will give. 12 1 by 2 plus 13 1 by 4 plus 18 1 by 8 plus 17 1 by 16. So what is the value of this now? Any number of mixed fractions is given. First what you do, take the addition of a integer part. Now by observing here 12 plus 18 30. Now 13 plus 17 30. 30 plus 30 60. So integer part is 60. It is completed. Now the fractions 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16. What is the LCM of 2, 4, 8, 16? 16 is the LCM. So into 16. 1 by 2 into 16. 8. Second fraction 1 by 4 into 16. 4. Or the third fraction 1 by 8 into 16. 2. Now 1 by 16 into 16. 1. Now here 60 plus. Now numerator values 8 to 10. 14 to 15. 15 by 16. Now 60 plus 15 by 16 can be written as a mixed fraction 60 15 by 16. This is fractions, all types of additions it is. Understood all of you? In the next video I will discuss with you subtraction. Thank you to all of you.